Sometimes when you're writing complicated code, you're going to want to leave notes for yourself in the code that lets you or someone else who's reading the code know what's going on. So we call this in programming comments. And let's say you have a complicated line of code like int x pos is equal to y, pos stands for position, slash 2 plus 43. That's actually 52, but same thing. Okay, of course this won't run because we haven't created a variable called y position yet. But it's kind of a complicated line of code. So we want to put a note next to it so that anyone who's looking at it can see what it does. And most often that's going to be you. You'll look at code that you opened 3 months ago and you'll have no idea what you wrote. And that's why you use comments. So you start a comment by typing 2 slash characters, //. If you're using Notepad++ like I am, you can tell that it changed color to green. And everything on the comment line will be green in Notepad++ to let you know it's a comment. So create x position variable from modified y position. That kind of tells you a little bit about what's going on. It doesn't tell you a lot, but it tells you a bit. So that's a comment. And when you run this code, this comment is ignored. It never gets run. It's only for you or other people who are reading your code. And the next line is not part of the comment. Sometimes you need a really long comment that talks about a lot of stuff. And for that, you start that with a slash and an asterisk. And as you can see in Notepad++, everything that follows that has been green. It's been turned to green. It's been commented out, and the compiler would not see it. So you have to end it with a asterisk and a /, the opposite. And now you can see this is not in green. This is the only part that's a comment. So you could say this code is not going to be run. And that's a good thing because that code's got an error in it anyway because y position hasn't been defined yet. So you can say as much stuff, as much gibberish as you want here, and none of it will get run by the compiler. So this is called a multi-line comment. The other one was a single line comment, and you should always use them to tell other people, or even yourself, what your code does. Well, that was pretty simple, and that's all there is to comments. And I'll see you again in the next tutorial.